Blessed love, and a blessed love to my YouTube subscribers, family, and friends. This is OSTV coming to you again with a short video. All right. It's good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Wherever you guys are sitting down and looking at this video, a blessed love to you all. All right. I'm gonna be doing something, so I want you guys to sit back, relax, and take a look at what I'm doing. All right. This is a small pork shoulder. I'm gonna pot roast it. All right. So just stick and stay and watch the process when me a pot roast this. All right. Blessed love. All right. See it there now. Pork in a pot, ready for pot roast. Just go on the fire. So the pork are gonna roast now. So just stick and stay. And me show you what I go on. All right. Take a look at my pot roast, guys. Pot roast, come on, beautiful. And small pork shoulder, you know. That a go on bubble. And a bubble nice. Looking wonderful and nice. So just stick and stay with me. And only when we see it. How it look when it finish. And how it look when it start eat. Alright? Yes, people. Take a look at my pot roast now. You see me come? Brown and nice. Come on, beautiful. Take a look. Beautiful. Beautiful and nice. And over here, so, we have some rice with corn in it, you know, some sweet corn and yellow rice. Yeah. Everything will come on great and nice. Everything we soon finish up, you know. So just stick and stay with me and see what I go on. Yes, people. Butter come on nice, you know. So we are going to bubble it in the idea. Yeah. So it's soon finish up. Soon ready to eat. Alright, so go and stick and stay with me. And I'm asking you guys, please, to subscribe to the channel. I see a lot of views, but I don't see no subscription. So you guys, please don't forget, just subscribe for me, please. Alright? And continue the views and continue sharing the videos, giving the videos a thumbs up. Alright? And I appreciate all and everything. Alright? This is again OSTV underscore T7J. Alright. Yes, people. Take a look on this. Pot roast ready. Look how pretty. Look how pretty the pot roast is. Nice and brown and pretty. No browning, no going out, no people. No browning, no. Just roast it in the pot and make it catch in color. No browning in the night. Just natural color. Come out of the pot, right? Beautiful. Finish up, you know. Time to eat. Beautiful. See my rice over here, sir. Ready too. Rice ready. Cook nice and ready. Eating time, you know. Everything set up itself nice. So just stick and stay with me, people. Alright? Yes, my people. Take a look at this. Pork shoulder cut up nice and good. Yes, ready to eat now. Well cut up. Serving time. Serving time, you know. One small pork shoulder. Pot roast, me pot roast him, you know. Yes. Yes, people. See my plate here? Nice and beautiful. Love bone, you know, people. So beside bone there. Yeah, come he's a bone man. Don't love the lean part of the meat. You made the bone and the skin. Them part them he love. So that I eat, people. That's my dinner. Alright? Beautiful and nice. Yes, my beautiful people. Again, thank you for watching my little short video of my pot roast pork shoulder, you know. Um Again, I appreciate you guys and I ask you guys to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up on the video, please. Alright, share up the video and leave your guys comments. I know what you guys think about the things that I'm doing, the things that I'm showing you guys. What I like, you know, just, you know, comment and let me know what it is all about. And again, guys, may I ask you guys, I'm getting a lot of views. Beautiful, love it. Appreciate it so much. But I'm just reminding you guys, please subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. It's free to subscribe. It doesn't cost. It's free, 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 free. So just subscribe. And it's free to give the video a thumbs up. You know, so just give it a thumbs up for me. All right? And I'll catch you guys in another video. And I appreciate you guys so much. You guys make your day, afternoon, evening, or night a great one. All right? Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love.